Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I haven't been online lately because I haven't been updating any videos lately because we've been traveling. So we're here visiting in upstate New York and we got a little package coming today. Now I normally fly the Spark, the DJI Spark, and I tell you I've come to really like that little Spark. The package that I bought with the battery pack charging station works so great, and that little drone is just strong, but it just doesn't have 3-axis gimbal and it doesn't have a long flight time. Other than that, I really like that drone. But today we are waiting on a package from UPS, purchased through Best Buy. They were supposed to deliver it yesterday, but they didn't, so UPS picked it up late and it's gonna be here today. But the deal is, this Mavic Air 2 really seems to be a nice package. The jury's still out on all this flight restrictions and stuff. Of course, the Spark had some flight restrictions, but I think this is a little more cumbersome, this new app. It can really shut you down from what I've seen. Not that they shut you down, but I'm really not liking the app where some people say that the return to home covers the whole screen right in the middle of flight. That doesn't sound too good. But of course, all I can do is from the reviewers. I've watched lots of videos, researched a lot of videos, and probably seen almost everybody's Mavic Air 2 videos. But today, we're going to charge the batteries up when I get the drone in my hand, check out the new app, and see how things go. So stay tuned and we will get on with that shortly.